The question is to factor the polynomial. Here we have the same expression x squared plus 6, x squared plus 6, right? So we're going to let that be a. Then this is equal to 4a squared minus 25a, right? This binomial has common factor a. So if we factor out a, that's going to be a times 4a minus 25. Now, since we have a factored, what we can do is we can substitute x squared plus 6 for a, right? So 4 times x squared plus 6 minus 25. And if we simplify this, x squared plus 6, that's a 4x squared plus 24 minus 25. Plus 24 minus 25, that's minus 1, right? So x squared plus 6 times 4x squared minus 1. So far so good. Now if we look at this binomial right here, 4x squared can be square of 2x and 1 can be written as the square of 1, right? So using this formula, a squared minus b squared is equal to a minus b times a plus b. This binomial can be written as 2x minus 1 times 2x plus 1, right? So this is equal to x squared plus 6, 2x minus 1, 2x plus 1, right? Next question, we have 3 times 9a squared minus 4 plus 9a squared minus 4 squared. First thing we're going to do, we have a 9a squared minus 4 here, 9a squared minus 4 here. So let that be a. Then this is equal to 3a plus a squared. Then common factor is a, right? So a times 3 plus a. Now substitute 9a squared minus 4 for a. Then that's going to be 9a squared minus 4 times 3 plus 9a squared minus 4. So this is equal to 9a squared minus 4, 9a squared plus 3 minus 4, that's minus 1, right? If we look at each of these binomial, 9a squared can be written as a square of 3a, and 4 is 2 squared, 1 is 1 squared, right? So this expression can be written as 3a squared minus 2 squared times 3a squared minus 1 squared, right? Using this formula, a squared minus b squared is a minus b, a plus b. This is equal to 3a minus 2, 3a plus 2 from this expression times 3a minus 1 times 3a plus 1 from this expression, right? Now factoring is complete.